Hello, 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 and welcome today to some more Sniper Elite Resistance. Today we are doing lock, stock, and barrels, not smoke and barrels. We have 3 skill points. I would like to apply them to what? I will get an extra health boost. And then I will have an extra item slot. I can't. I will scavenge weapon ammo. So we're starting at the derelict barn, Vallée de Doux. Vallée de Doux? Vallée de Doux?
Hawker, so far you have destroyed the means of manufacturing the nerve agent Kleiner Blumer.
Yes.
And played a vital role in leveling Otto Kruger's warhead assembly site. Unfortunately, all the warheads have been extracted by rail.
So all that work I just did didn't matter.
To the machinations
We
of
did,
Kruger
but
and Special Committee C. Analysis of the railway network map you acquired has determined that, against all odds, the last remaining Kleiner Blumer stockpiles have been sent to the Vallée de Dieu vineyard.
Vallée de Dieu.
London has reason to believe that this was once a V1 launch site. And since aerial photography has failed to confirm this theory, well, there is speculation that the V1 site may be below ground. V1 flying bombs alone are capable of mass devastation. But equipped with Kleiner Blumer, the Allies would be defenseless against such an attack. If our suspicions prove correct, Hawker, do whatever it takes to stop the Kleiner Blumer from being deployed. Good luck.
So the Kleiner Blumer, this nerve agent, has been taken on a train to this place. Now they believe it's the V1 launch site, so I need to stop it from even happening. Locate the underground facility.
This is where the Kleiner Blumer warheads were sent to. A suspected V1 launch site. Is this where the trail ends? Is this the final step in Kruger's scheme?
Well, I guess not, because, wait, hang on. No. Oh, it's a plane. Why you stop there? Once again, let's have the intention of playing well, shall we? And this issue is, like, at that distance, what distance is that to him? 176. Let's say I'd take a guy out, right? Taking both of his eyeballs out. He's been, as Rio Ferdinand would say, murked. They've heard the gunshot. You heard 140, can't it? But all they know is they've heard me. They haven't seen me yet. I do think I would do better to, like, just try and properly sneak up on them. Rough start here. Tactical shots on.
I'm a sitting duck right here.
He's found it. We're in combat.
Losing a lot of motion lotion here.
Wait, elite snipers. I got.
Need to stop the bleeding.
How do an elite sniper see me? No. What the hell's going on there? what the? Who's this man? I need to survive everything. That guy's about that life. Oh, close by. That was a kidney shot. Take his eyeballs out. Oh, through his mouth. That's it, Harry Hawker. You're cooking now. You're back to how you should be. That's what Harry Hawker does. Oh. Oh, we are in trouble. Right. Well. I feel that guy was shooting me still. That was actually good intel. I saw that obviously he was shooting where the last noise was. He was literally just shooting the noise. That's the mission in itself, is to kill that guy. Right, the first one hit him somewhere in the body, I guess. This one... Oh my god. You really hate to see it, mate. Sorry. You've been put in a pack. Okay.
Sweet.
That guy's hurt.
I'm not seeing anything else.
Ooh. Oh, no. You know what? Screw it. Thank you.
This will help.
Oh. So rapid fire
This sniper rifle looks handy.
there. Okay. Got a scope in it as well, so shoot them up enemies quickly. I guess this one. Now, if I was the game devs, I'd put some good loot over there. You need the loot though, do you? You need the ammo maybe, but now I can scavenge ammo off of dead bodies, so the main thing he's looked for at halftime now is like objectives, obviously collectible type stuff.
Alright then, off we go.
There's a sniper in here apparently. Now, one thing I didn't think about is that guy is going to hear that. Surely? Oh, he was looking at me. I think. Intel, any intel? There's a guy up there. Guy on the balcony out there. Someone back here is seeing or hearing me. There you are. was cold moments. Just like one bullet to the head.
Nothing else worth finding around here. That grass could offer solid cover.
Barely need it. I'll take it. Apparently we are in combat. Got back there though, where that red arrow is. Not here. So we got enemy sniper this way. That's the facility, and that is the site sabotage. We need to find and kill Aldo as well, and that's miles away. This lock real quick. Oh my god. Someone see me? Someone else in the area. Oh my god. SMGs are class, man. The combat all around is just really good. Oh, I'm not sure his body being in air is very good though. Is there a loot option this side? Yeah. You should guess it realistically. If you want to do the game properly, you should be like timing your shots with the plane going over. We've got bolt cutters and we got a crowbar. I should have used my bandages earlier. See the guy up there. That's the mission. Off of nose. Oh, straight eye shot. Master Sergeant rank 2.
That's the last of them. Amateurs.
Right, all snipers neutralized. Yes, that's deemed as a sound mask. You're playing going over. So you're supposed to shoot when that sound mask happens. This is pretty obvious information, but I need to try and just, if I say it out loud, at least I might try and do it. You can't climb in there, which is weird. Some buildings you can climb in. Only down. Don't worry, white paint out you out. Guy there, and there's a guy there. Where'd the guy go? That's no letter. Guy there. That could be the entrance to the facility. Where did the guy go that was right here? Yeah, okay, facility is there. Guess we could do it in a different order. We could do the main objective now, and then we could go and... kill the other person afterwards, if necessary. Oh god.
From the air, the chateau doesn't look like anything special. From down here on the ground, it's clear as day this is a major site.
Understatement.
I could use this sniper rifle.
I create a sound mask there. Smokes him during a sound mask as well. There's something in front of him, just bolt cutters.
I can't see anything worth grabbing. A sniper rifle. I know it like the back of my hand.
So he's now attracted to that. He found 3 shots there. That's impressive. Right. Put it on the floor. This has got to be underground facility, right?
Nazis aren't known for their subtlety, but Kruger and his cronies would be bloody good at hiding things, even from the Reich.
Guy underneath me, maybe? I don't think I've even got a satchel charge, have I?
That's my cue. Time to go.
Ah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Shit. Oh, we are in trouble. I just got myself into like a really crappy situation here. Just from one stealth kill not being correct, really. At me, look at me.
Jetzt stirbst du.
Oh my god. I'm like so locked in. I feel like I'm not smoking. Pretty me sat there with my tongue out like, oh, take key. Go away. I got to weaken their whole regime by killing them all, you see.
Got everything worth having.
I'm putting a telemine. Here. I'm putting a telemine there.
Ist da jemand?
We trap the body here as well. Yes. That's that guy. He was actually cooking. He managed to get past all my traps. Don't know how he did that. Okay, we're good currently.
Control room. One of these switches must be worth a go.
Oh, it's a big switch here.
Switch opened those doors down there. Time to see what they're hiding.
Oh,
Make sure it never sees the light of day.
there's a secret trap in it. This room looks like it has something in it.
Warheads, but not for V1 rockets. For something else, something shorter, something bespoke. Probably a
Kleine Blume.
kleiner bloomer.
Moment. Ist da was?
Calm and quiet. This place is too big to be just a launch site. Whatever they'd been doing here can't be good. Need to put a stop to it.
He's got nose hangs up. Booby trap this guy's body. Surely this is take photo territory. Surely, there's plans around here. Oh my god. You got the ghost to kill. I'll loot them as well when they're on their way down, which is class. Natural. Right, you have to wonder what I need these for.
Submachine gun, in case things get busy.
What can I not use it for?
Submachine gun is loaded. fast and efficient.
MG42.
A scoped rifle. That'll come in handy.
Okay, here we go. Like a big drum gun. Alright, any eyes? Don't see anyone. I can hear footsteps.
What the? We got it all wrong. Kleinerbloom was just a part of the
Oh, no.
project. This map. Oh, this is everywhere the Allies could land in France. And what will be waiting for them? Zugwerfers. 5 heavily armored rocket-launching trains, all armed with the deadliest nerve agent known to man. The Allied invasion force wouldn't stand a chance. I have to stop this now.
Okay, how did that, Harry? What's the plan? That was crazy work. And I said off with head, thank you. Please come again.
Nothing else to find.
Is there anything down here to find?
Five bays for warheads. 4 of them empty. Looks like I'm too late.
One's on a train already. Oh no. We'll go stop a train. Right, be quiet, because my Don's in here. Maybe it's still been shipped out to the train. Oh, that's a train in front of me. We got the correct way.
Bloody hell. One of the Zugwerfers is still here. This might be my only chance to take it out.
Do we play this smart? Do we play this stupid? I don't know. Stupid was the answer. Where? Wow, far, far away. Sick camping spot though. I rate it. I respect it. And your boy is where? Oh, there's a couple of boys over here. Oh shit! Actually, that's a bit of a mistake. Sabotage this real quick, right? And then, that was like zoom straight at the end. Right, the tank knows where I am. Got a med kit. Oh, rate of fire is quite slow. Guy it's off the train.
That might much armor, there's only one way I could take out that Zugwerfer. Precision blast.
Quick. Quick. Quick, 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 quick.
I was lucky. Optimal conditions here compared to the battlefield. How are we going to stop the other Zugwerfers?
That's a good point, mate. I don't actually know. I can exfil, but I don't want to. I want to check out the rest of the mission. But Don needs to go kill. Oh my god. No, no, no. How has a tank behind survived? Oh my god, I'm getting beaten. Okay, so the next field site over there. You can go back on yourself to sabotage the site, and I need to find and kill Aldo as well. Ah. Okay, I'm going back through. Oh my god, this tank's gonna be the death of me. Right, we're good, we're good. We're away from the tank. Get your breath back, Harry, mate. My god. Yeah, I've done this mission the wrong way around to what I normally would. Normally I'll do all the optional ones first and then the main. I guess it's through that Zerk meant that this is what I did, so game's the game. Yeah, first aid kit. There was one in a room.
I also can't stay here. I need to move.
There was a room that had a first aid kit. I feel like it was up here. On the left. Okay. Right. Medkit and bandages secured. Let's get out of this hellhole. Back to sneaking around. Helmet off and then through the ear. This is the site. We're sabotaging this, whatever this is over here.
I should take out the V1 launch site. Can't take any chances.
Exactly, so it would help me if we take out everything. Oh god. We've got to ensure...
Can't let the Nazis launch any more V1 rockets. Need to destroy their stockpile and launcher.
Moment mal, wer...
Try and be a bit more about that life, you know. I got a satchel charger. Do I need one? Oh, no.
Rocket
Literally
sabotaged.
just sabotage
Need
like
to
that.
sort out the ramp.
Light work.
Make sure it's an accident waiting to happen.
Wait, what? You just sort out. The ramp? Was that you said? Oh.
I could use this SMG. I can't see anything worth grabbing.
Aha. Oh shit.
That should take care of the roadside. Need to get clear before it blows.
Is area? Oh god.
No time to waste, Harry. Need to move.
Yep, yep. I heard. Just, you know. Legging it, pal. And that's what kill a guy called Aldo. Kill a guy called Aldo and we are Gucci, man. We're out of here. I'll head this way because I'm pretty sure this is the way to the next.
I'm sure London will be pleased to hear that this place can now be listed as a former launch site.
Boom. He wasn't ready. Had no idea. Okay. What is that? Yeah, that's like a rocket type launcher, right? You got one bullet explosive, and it's explosive.
Moment mal. Wer?
Oh. Bro, I really tried it twice. Right. Oh my god. The three blind mice coming to get me. Fucking prick. Shoot me again. Found B1 bunker
Not
safe
seeing
key.
anything else.
There's a bunker? Oh, right here. Wow. I was going to right past this. Some extra documents in here. Close call though. Almost died. Right, so where is this Aldo? Oh god.
Wer ist da? Bewegt, verteidigt. Erledigen ihn.
I see you, cheeky boy. Someone sees me as well. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. Hey, stop sliding away from me, please. I need bandages. I just need to leave the area because I'm exactly where he last had bullets. Oh. One full medkit, yes. Amy's hunting, but there's no one near me. We're good.
Tall grass. Itchy, but stealthy.
Right, there's a bloke called Aldo, in this lovely house here. I think that's him. That will raise some alerts.
I'm a sitting duck right here. Quickly. Didn't work. I was needed to. What the fuck? Oh! I wasn't even shooting that guy really, I was shooting the other one. Aldo Riese.
Oh, he's there.
His files are compliments of the resistance.
Ready? There's a guy back there as well. You ready for him? Oh my god. Wait, nah, the game's actually just done me in. Like a telemine on the floor. Outside. And then grenade. Oh my god. I think I survived. With like such little health. One bullet from anywhere and I'm done.
This is proper useful.
Right, just a little bit. He's quite. I like. Oh shit! No! No! I had no bullets in my SMG, and I put out my sniper, and that wasn't reloaded. Oh, that's so annoying. Wait,
Nothing else worth finding around here.
the last save was here. Are you joking me? I've literally got another. That's really bad. That's really, really bad. I've literally got another objective done. You should be saving it after I've done an objective, at the minimum. Well, this time I'll do it differently. Because I just realised there's a route this way. I didn't go.
Harry, you always find yourself in the thicket.
I say in the thick of it. Bro's on his KSI shit.
Wo ist mein Getränk? Was
Was bringt es, auf einem Weingut zu sein, wenn ihr Idioten nicht mal eine anständige Flasche findet?
Jawohl. Tut mir leid. Ich sehe nach, was da los ist.
Was? Wollen Sie Ihren Vorgesetzten...
Hauptmann Aldo Riese.
Imagine that packs him in. Oh, I think he just survived it.
Responsible for the murder of dozens of resistance fighters.
Oh, he's run inside.
Fond of poison, apparently. Time for some payback. Time to go, Harry.
Verteidigungsformation. In Deckung gehen.
Is he here? Is that him? No, I think it's someone else.
Resistance.
Oh, it is. If the game might be annoying, I'll be annoying back. Have that. Have that.
Mission fulfilled. While confirming the presence of the V1 launch site, we were again too late to intercept the Kleiner Blumer warheads.
Was we?
And Hawker uncovered the true crisis.
Oh yeah, yeah.
we now
Okay, yeah,
face.
we got one of them.
Zugwerfers. Heavily armored combat-ready Sonderzuger locomotives, equipped with the means to launch bespoke rocket-powered Kleiner Blumer warheads, loaded with what we can only hope are their last reserves of Kleiner Blumer. One alone could destroy D-Day. We believe the Germans possess 4. London has determined the most likely site the Zugwerfers will be dispatched from. One way or another, the end is nigh. It's time to put a stop to Kleiner Blumer and Special Committee C, once and for all.
Boom. 3 stars. Level 21. So next episode will be End of the Line, and we have the final mission after that as well. Could do either, maybe do both of them in the same episode, or split them. I'll see. But if you enjoyed, once again, leave a like, and as always, subscribe to the channel, and see you guys next time. Goodbye.